What happens to spent rocket stages after orbital insertion? Imagine launching a rocket into space and then watching parts of it linger in orbit long after they've done their job. That's what happens to the leftover pieces of rockets called stages once they finish delivering their payloads. After a rocket reaches its target orbit, the upper stage, which gave the satellite its final push, often stays in space. These stages are usually left in the same orbit as the satellite or moved to a different one. Without action, these leftover pieces can stay in space for many years or even decades. They float around, posing a risk to active satellites and contributing to the growing problem of space debris. To prevent clutter and collisions, space agencies and companies use different methods to handle these spent stages. One common approach is to lower the orbit of the stage so that atmospheric drag gradually pulls it back into Earth's atmosphere. This process can take anywhere from a few months to several years, depending on how high the stage was initially. Once it dips into denser parts of the atmosphere, the stage burns up, turning into ash and gases. International guidelines suggest that objects in low Earth orbit should re-enter within 25 years after the mission ends. Some agencies aim for even faster re-entries, within 5 years, to keep space safer. In some cases, the stage is intentionally deorbited in a controlled way. This means firing thrusters to guide it toward a safe re-entry path over unpopulated areas like oceans. This method requires extra fuel and precise maneuvering but greatly reduces the risk of debris falling on people or property. 4 stages placed in higher orbits, like geostationary transfer orbits, moving them into a graveyard orbit, is common. This is a stable, distant orbit where the stage won't interfere with operational satellites. It's like parking the leftover piece far away from active space traffic. Modern designs also include measures to prevent explosions or leftover fuel from causing debris. Engineers vent leftover propellant and disconnect batteries to avoid accidental fires or explosions. Many stages are built to burn up more completely during re-entry, leaving fewer fragments behind. Looking ahead, new technologies are being developed to actively remove debris from space. Robots, nets, and special sails or tethers can capture or push away leftover stages, helping keep space cleaner. The choice of what to do with a spent rocket stage depends on the mission, available fuel, and safety rules. Planning for disposal is an essential part of mission design. It helps keep space safe for future satellites and prevents the problem of space junk from growing larger. So, after a satellite is in orbit, the leftover rocket parts are either left to burn up, guided to a safe re-entry, moved to a distant orbit, or prepared to be removed by future technology. All these steps are vital for maintaining the long-term usability of space around our planet.